Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to share with you my all-purpose seasoning that I make. I was going to make some chicken tonight and I didn't have enough of my seasoning for that, so I thought I would share that recipe with you today. So let's get started. So I've got a small Cuisinart here that we'll be using to mix our ingredients together. And we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of parsley, and we'll go ahead and put that in. And I've got 2 tablespoons of dried basil, and we'll put that in. I've got 2 tablespoons of dried thyme. I've got 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary, and we'll add that in. I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I've got 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of table salt, and I've got 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Put the top on that, and we'll give that a mix through. All right, now that we've got that all mixed together, let's transfer that over to my jar here. Now that we've got our seasoning in our container, let's put that airtight lid on it, put it on our can shelf, put a label on it when you made it, what it is. This is all-purpose seasoning. It is great for poultry or anything else you might want to use it for. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you try this seasoning. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.